Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is a very nice, interesting functional equations. But how do you solve this problem, and how many ways can you solve this? Let's drop the answer in the comment box. The question here is f of x plus 4 plus f of 3 equals x plus 8. We are interested to get f of 12. And I'm going to be solving this in two different ways. And if there's any other way that we can use to solve this, the simplest form, let's try to drop it in the comment box. And if you consider the solution, if we have method 1, from f of x plus 4, what we need is f of 12. Let's say I want to find f of 3 first. So we are going to let the first domain, which is x plus 4, equals 3. And here we have x equals 3 minus 4, which equals minus 1. We take back the substitution into the original equation, as we have f of the new x now is minus 1 plus 4, then plus f of 3 equals minus 1 plus 8. And then, so this gives us f of 3 plus f of 3 equals minus 1 plus 8, that gives us 7. Then f of 3 plus f of 3, that is 2f of 3 equals 7. By dividing both sides by 2, we have f of 3 equals 7 over 2. This is the first step we are going to take in this first method. And now we are going to find f of 12. And how can we achieve that? It's very simple. What we do is we are going to set x plus 4 again to be equals 12, as we did with x plus 4 equals 3. If I set x plus 4 equals 12, then I will look for the value of x. I have to know the value of f of 3 before I solve for f of 12. That is the reason for the first method. Then we have x here equals 12 minus 4, which equals 8. We take back the substitution. So for x equals to 8, let's substitute again. We are going to have f of 8 plus 4 plus f of 3 equals 8 plus 8. Then here we have f of 12 plus f of 3 equals 16. So the next step is we are going to replace this f of 3 with what we have before, which is 7 divided by 2. And then we have f of 12 equals plus 7 over 2 equals 16. Then taking 7 over 2 to other side, this gives us f of 12 equals 16 minus 7 over 2, and this is 16 over 1. So we take the LCM of this, and we have 2 multiplied by 16 gives us 32 minus 7 divided by 2. So the final answer to this is 32 minus 7, and this gives us 25 divided by 2 for f of 12. This is a nice functional equation problem, and the answer for f of 12 is 25 over 2. Let's solve this using the second method. Here is the second method, and if you are just coming to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. Have you guessed how this second method will be. Let's solve it in a simpler form. First is we are going to express f directly, just like a substitution method. If I to consider this as t equals x plus 4, then we make x the subject of the formula. So we have x equals t minus 4. On knowing this, we substitute back as we have f of t plus f of 3 equals x now becomes t minus 4 plus 8. And here gives us f of t plus f of 3 equals t plus 4. And since this is what we have, we are going to make f of t the subject of the formula. Here we have f of t equals t plus 4 minus f of 3. Then here comes when we are going to substitute t equals 3. If I take t here equals to 3, we have f of 3 equals, this gives us 3 plus 4 minus f of 3. And then we have f of 3 here as well. We take it to this side, and this gives us f of 3 equals 7. Just as we did earlier, f of 3 plus f of 3, that is 2f of 3, and divide both sides by 2. We have f of 3 equals 7 over 2. And let's substitute back. If I substitute back to f of 3, so for every f of t now, we are going to have it as t plus 4 minus 7 over 2 for f of 3. And here we have f of t equals t, we have 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, and 8 minus 1, this gives us 1 over 2. So the new function for f of t is t plus 1 over 2. And if I change it to x, we have f of x equals x plus 1 over 2. So t and x are members of real number. So here we have f of x equals x plus 1 over 2. And at x equals to 12, we have 12 plus 1 over 2. And this gives us 24 plus 1 over 2, which equals 25 over 2. Which of this method would you go for? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. And see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.